In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up project budget tacking on monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clear, ready-to-use setup that helps you compare planned versus actual costs, track spending by category, and keep your team aligned on the numbers. We'll start by creating the space where your budget insights will live. Go to New Dashboard. A dashboard is your high-level control room in monday.com, pulling together key figures, charts, and summaries from one or more boards. Starting with a fresh dashboard keeps everything organized from day one and makes it easier to share a single source of truth with stakeholders. Next, click on Start with Template. Templates are the fastest way to get budget tracking up and running because they come with pre-built structures and views that are proven to work. Instead of building charts, groups, and columns from scratch, you'll begin with sensible defaults designed for financial oversight. From the template options, click on Budget Plan. This template is tailored for project finances. It's set up to capture planned costs, log actual expenses as they occur, and highlight the variance between the two. You'll typically see categories for different cost types, fields for amounts, and views that surface totals and trends. Choosing this option helps you focus on entering your data instead of designing a system. Then click on Use Template. Monday.com will generate the dashboard and any connected boards for you. In just a moment, you'll land on a workspace that's already configured to manage your budget and expenses. You should see places to record items like tasks or purchases, columns for planned and actual amounts, and a calculated variance so you can spot overruns early. The dashboard view will roll up totals and give you an at-a-glance picture of how your project is performing against the budget. Once the template is in place, take a moment to review what's included so you understand how your numbers will flow. The layout is designed to keep financial data consistent and comparable over time, making it easier to report progress and make decisions based on facts rather than guesswork. If your team works in multiple currencies or needs strict access controls, the structure you've just created is a solid foundation to support those needs as your setup evolves. And that's it. By going to New Dashboard, starting with the template, choosing Budget Plan, and using the template, you've set up project budget tracking on monday.com. You're now ready to monitor spending, catch variances early, and communicate budget status with confidence.